jundu bangmo
ma tanzin nebu
miski chomni jule
ibo session of zeri gyantong khang naturally deka pekha but sarkane zachi ki natsulji gija thama zira polinai chilza juni ses chunisla gyalkha yontan score ponbo kujab chaudhary zulfikar ali segmo zonas fia score skyote inpi te tus khong zonas di ka shulkan lobjong tangsul kun gyalkha ga jan yul kul nang chapkos khachen teste segmole lamson pa ka sono mangchuk le tingjin gyalkha tang thuste chakla zaches la local pools
hands-on experience. Yes, please carry on. Warm for the whole winter. So learning goes beyond classrooms. So they could do experiments, or if it is, say, germ theory, then they apply it to jam making. Make hundreds of bottles of jam for consumption, and they sell in the market also. Thereby learn economics. Then they build the school themselves. Different projects, take care of solar heating devices, how they work. This is optics in science in 10th grade. Meditation in the morning, so they know how to spend the day. They don't need somebody, breathing over the shoulder. They can look after themselves, self-led rather than others. Take care of the gardens, good as or better than any private schools, but really high-end.
Chilza juni thes gellar sonas pe gorgiana tsugjika lobjongjik songstein pin te nanga jimo diches da phang tangches lu tangches dispo da par pinches kunla mixel nangjin nawa tangstein pin te lobjong salkan kun jan yul nang rang yul na thuste yot pin di jongdar tangche se tontagni lobjuk kunla jiksteni chawa na chok se nanga khak thuches tang te be kaner sal lobjes kun in pin
E class book hete nanga ja sketching la benopin ka amani di la benopin tene e sketching benanga ja chila banok zena tenga ja basic chiz la banok ka hete na pencil na tissue paper khute ka zonga da naksham de mo thongchin tene e class book hete na ma gas ba dul tene changma thugun mana interest tang se in na yongdupin tene nga ja free time ka nga ja ina sketching book hete nga ja room ina joit pin ka nga ja ma demo thor tene e sketching book hete na yang thuguma ma po ina na shock cho se tene interest tang se ina na yongdupin la bala.
I'm teaching Indian classical music and Bollywood music to students of foundation here in Sekmol. And I started teaching the basics of Indian classical music with the 7 notes, Saregama Padhani, so that they understand what intonation is all about. But I had very short time with each group, so we did Bollywood music and popular music so that they get interest. It's rhythmic. And I saw that many students of Sekmol are superly talented, and they have a great voice, and they really have a future in music if they want to take it as a career. And it's been great teaching them. Today evening there is a performance. I really hope they do well.
ERG workshop bodene jakma dang izuka ngane hapte starting phang ni tunele deni nang pa ma skitpo yong tenen daksa group ka ke nang khong izuka MCVK group na tene na to sangai foundation ne daksa thu sum man mit tunele kona MCVK tu na hindi na ko jar kona chek lobche sa ka post na tene kone jak pinting ma ka yang ko jar tene dekha yang test ni ta mana borche sin.
This is fashion magazine making workshop. So first we are taking photo of Goncha like this, and then we edit that photo using Microsoft Word. And we also write about Goncha's history, how to make Goncha, or what is Goncha material, like that. Yeah, and I taught you that please choose Times New Roman. Yeah. And size is 72, okay? Font. You can choose font from here.
Chilza juni ses chulgi jaga lobchuke dejik mashum yana Ladakh se iskasha shames ko ragus chochesla ninchigi ziskorla Sher Kashmir University of Agriculture Science and Technology yang na squast sonas taknas kyote impin
जब ये लगता है तो इस तरह का होता है। पहले इसी की बात कर लेते हैं। ओके, कल्टीवेशन टेक्नोलॉजी। कल्टीवेशन में इसके 3 स्टेप्स हैं। कितने स्टेप्स हैं? 1 इज कंपोस्टिंग, अदर इज स्पॉनिंग एंड द लास्ट 1 इज केसिंग। कंपोस्टिंग होता है इसका लुत्फ तैयार करना, ठीक है। ये मशरूम थोड़ा लगाना टफ है, ठीक है, मेहनत ज्यादा है इसमें। क्यों टफ है? क्योंकि एक तो ये बहुत वो है केयर टेकर, मतलब बड़ी वैसी मशरूम है कि इसको केयर बहुत चाहिए, ठीक है। अगर इसको थोड़ा सा टेम्परेचर में फ्लक्चुएशन हो जाता है तो ये ग्रो नहीं करती है, और एक बार हम इसको हार्वेस्ट करें तो ये 1 या 2 दिन से ज्यादा टिकती नहीं है, खराब हो जाती है। प्लेट में क्या होता है? पोटैटो डेक्सट्रोज अगार, मतलब आलू का जूस। आलू का जूस होता है वो, उस फंगस उससे क्या लेता है? ताकत। तो हल्का सा फंगस इसके ऊपर रखते हैं तो इस तरह से आपका कल्चर बन जाता है। ये मशरूम
이 소일나 누르부게 그런 자가가 해도 나게 이 longitude 이 latitude 이 지문이가 소일보 이즈도 나이트로젠도 뉴온도 파스포러스도 비시다 직도 그때에 파다 잡기 하나 루트 몰라요 마와 되나 있어요 그랬어. 되잖아. 다사 레데스로 이제 잡히노. 대이나 집이 컴퓨터나 피드 좀 집. 소일 헬 가는 거 이죠.
Chilza Juni Teshchi Jaga Ladak's Pasoma Acho Hings Kyote, Abisente Hani Sigmola Pulkani, Namle Nazluk Kungus Chochese, Tulkor Sukchestang. Teskola Turim Lopri Loptukunla, Lobjon Tangashkot.
Ika ngati weather station jichoni tayo tinole sigmole na ka sigmole college pitugu ne ka interest yote un ngata ina project na khaklen tinokle tene I weather station bo kitanang I ngati saman sangma ngat abisente ngata donation za tinole khong Canada ne nok tene ngata I install chu skola chong henge lap tinok tene te sangal lang ya I install chu sangal lang ngati sigmol station na tene ngaya zuk henge khampa khona song sas mile tene khora khampa tene tena ku stands le ka weather station Gambe Ladakh sanangko successful song te data un collection just the print ne te wasta ste ne ngai ika ngai jospa
कोई कंप्यूटर खास कर तेने कंप्यूटर नंको कोडिंग कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम ते ओलाप्स तेने ते ओना यंपो ngaya ngaya ra तेने कोई टास्क सिक्तांग ला सिक्तांग ते ngaya वेदर स्टेशन गाओ स्टेशन बचो जेसिन ते ngaya जस्ट तेने ngaya कोई कंप्यूटर कोडिंग चोजेस बो खास कर ओते ना ओलाप तेने ngaya ते वेदर स्टेशन में नंको चला खची गयो क्या सेंसर खची गयो तेने जैसे कि टेम्परेचर तापचे जो क्या ह्यूमिडिटी क्या तेने कैमरा सेंसर क्या तेना तो चला ना खची गयो क्या कावे जैसे टेम्परेचर ते चीज हमारा ताप नहीं तेने ngai I ina project po gyospa ngai install jo jesi rewain ngai da sa chi sangma lob se tene ngai gyospa install jo jeni
Chilza Juni Tses Nishu Gyatla, Segmone Lashet Pakuni, Semshuk Yontan Tang Talkun, Gyala Manga Samanga Nangwa Sarchespo, Tengtu Setang, Mirik Se Godomin Kan Bo Su Sama Tuguz Yote Ino. Tefia Jakchi ke project management e jigrimi Tarik Segmol Zonasa Yotpin. Tetus Hail Tang Segmol Niske Lashet Pakun Jukste Yotpin.
Vendors for executing that project or for achieving that goal, right? So that could also be part of the project management. Every project is for achieving a specific goal. Okay, having a defined beginning and end. Project cannot be like for indefinite time. There must be a starting point. There must be a ending point. Okay, then governed by a budget. So there would be a budget. That is the measure of that project, whether project is successful or failure. There are other parameters also, but this is the major parameter because someone would define a budget and you would try to complete the project in that budget, right?
Chilza Juni Tses Jungi Jaga, Lojungi Tses Joste Yotkan Nanjin, Sigmol Hostele Gozla Tujar Siste Inpin. Tetus Jokhandika Dukkan Kuni, Tampaski Potang Yampo Gozlak Chenmo Kun Tuazat.
Hey, go! Shot! Hey, go! Shot! Chilza Juni Tses Nishu Chega, Zamin Chi Yoge Jaxi Chesla, Dokpa Chane Segmole Loptuk Tasmangjik, Spetub Gonpeka Yoga Zataskyote Yotpin. Yoga Shulkan Segmole Volunteer MC Inpin, yang talik tang gozuk zatkan LWIHF yang na Ladakh Women Ice Hockey Foundation in pin.
So today is the 21st of June, which is the solstice, the longest day of the year, the longest light day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere. And today is also International Yoga Day. So we're celebrating yoga, and yoga takes many forms across the world now. It started as a form of mindful movement and physical meditation for those seeking enlightenment. And today people still practice for those reasons, and also because yoga brings a lot of health and many benefits to our bodies and our minds, and so people practice in all kinds of ways on their own and also in groups. And today we gathered to practice and to honor the sun and the light on the longest day of light here in Ladakh. And we had maybe 50 people today, which was a great turnout.
Chilza Junites Nejaga, Zamlin Koryu Jak Situ, Sigmole Loptukun, Kimsa Pages, Kimsa Colches, Natuk Tapkunla, Zixala, Government Garbage Segregation Sabush Gotain Pin.
The Sanata Berelina have Berelina Chokana, one to purpose of my mission. I did mission because I do temporary missions, the tin missions. Take an idea to pancake tafana, take an idea, Palestine, Shuri on the gap. They were around the teaching on it. And I ordered a piano, I like to sound. The manager in the champagne and Gata, the paper that I'm doing, but I'm Gatasana, she's the machine, the vaccines of Shatan, Pagunaji, or the pedestrians that jump and teach you what they would know in Negana. The plastic Sankazi, not Sankana Cabali, Cabali, and start again. Now, I'll do it. Yeah, but the Silman Pond, the artist of the people on the Silman has a gourmet building with that. I do not know. They building on a useless feeling at
Chilza Junior says to get in issue Sarupar, Juan Anton Pemise Puches Zotap Kolkan Segmol Sona Sekha, Talan American College de San Yuan Labs Day, Segmol Tang Lotun Nangjing Nime Lokshuk Nitapse, Tadikun Gala Tuesday, Di Sona se Dotpa Chani Loktukun Tuesday, Laglen Chin Lobjong Zatin Pin. Tetus, Ladakh Petru Kuni Tampatang Semzang Kuntonsde, San Yuan College de Halas Petodatang Tujechijus. Des de Kakpe Uskion Chris Tatopola se Juchesla, Di Soxi Roxpe, Konkun Las Kapto Skitpojik Manpa, Tingjin Niskitpe, Gugulte in Pin. Yang Kong Chopa Chris Brook is Tingjin, Di Soxi Jondar Kun Manga Sang, Jochese Toxam Kun Mixali, Segmole Lachet Pakunla, Juste in Pin.
Box right here is the charge controller. Right here. And like I said, this charge controller can take up to 150 volts. It's a beautiful thing. And it can also take up to 80 amps of current. So this is an 80 amp charge controller. But just to tell you, the battery is connected here to the inverter. This part right here, this black part is the inverter. So this is where it takes the 48 volts from the battery and turns it into what? AC. AC? How many volts? 220, 230. Yeah. So it's taking 48 volts DC from our batteries and turning it into 230 AC. And that's the voltage.
Chilza Junites Nishurgella, Mayonse Lordu Nefia, Kachad Yangna Time Capsule, Retsijik, Loptukune Borte Pin.
28th June 2018, SECMO Foundation student years. They put a time capsule which will travel for 7 years, and we have all made wishes and dreams, and we put it in a capsule. And after 7 years, that is 28 June 2025, we all will make it a point to gather here and take it out. So it's been a great day. 2000!
Inatanya po dilane zavare natsule kapoton.
Stigma yang natsulji kurte jalin, tete takpa gonspa salazat Julie.